Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the network speed indicator on the status bar. So in this device I already enabled the network speed indicator on the status bar. You can see if I browse anything in this device, now you can see the change, right? Now you can see the change. Let me show you. Right, so let me show you how to enable this internet speed indicator on the status bar in this device. Yeah, for this go to settings, then scroll down, tap on notification and status bar, tap on status bar. So here you can see the option real time network speed. To view the network speed indicator on the status bar like this, you need to enable this one. If I disable, now you can see that is disabled. To enable this one, now you can see internet speed indicator on the status bar. So simply in this way you can enable the internet speed indicator on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.